Speaking of upcoming smartphones, we have the highest Antutu score ever posted from a leaked Realme Snapdragon 865 device. Are you laughing at Antutu, my friend?
So
Yeah,
it's
a
a
fun
memorable
one.
name
No, it's a fun one.
to say that.
It's a
To
fun
say
name,
the
most
least.
definitely.
You know.
I'm not huge into the benchmarking thing just because it's obviously it's not real world. It's not how real people are using things. They do serve a certain purpose, but then there was also the news of manufacturers gaming or tuning just for performance on the synthetic benchmark. So whatever, regardless, it's interesting because it does give us some type of glimpse into these upcoming chips, into this future, this Snapdragon 865 future. And we can actually discern, because of these results, which variant of the Snapdragon 865 was responsible for this record-breaking Antutu. I mean, how else can you say it? If it's not Antutu, then what is it? Antutu. So that's Tutu? Antutu. Anyway. It was the Qualcomm SM8250, which is the 5G variant, Snapdragon 865 5G mobile platform. And it was tested on an upcoming device, Realme RMX 2071. And the score, 574,985 points. That breezes past the previous high score of 560,217, which was posted by the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 10. So we're obviously going to see this 865 equipment popping up in everything very soon. And we would expect to see this degree. We would expect to see some form of improvement in order to justify the upgrade for individuals. Whether or not all 865s will perform like this remains to be seen, because the 865 chip that was in the Mi 10 obviously didn't score as well as the 5G version inside of this Realme device, this upcoming Realme device. So, and then you bring into question, they're mentioning here the ROG phone. They actually went in there and did their own tweaks to increase performance on previous versions. So if they could get their hands on something like this, they could possibly push it even further. But nonetheless, look, it's an 865 future we're living in, regardless of which device you choose to get it in, whether it's those upcoming Samsungs, whether it's a Realme device. We do have some degree of parity across the board, so long as manufacturers have access to that latest stuff. And in case you were wondering how much better it would be, here we have some degree of evidence of how much better it can be. And of course, it comes alongside that 5G improvement, although I'm not so sure how important that is to buyers right now. That piece. I mean, how do you feel about your mobile connect? You need more speed? What are you up to?
Well, my speed is actually really slow because of my carrier. I don't know if it's
so you couldn't even take advantage.
No, yeah, you know,
it's gonna be a while still.
Yeah.
But what about your 855 performance in general? Do you ever feel this is lagging right now?
No, it's been solid.
Right.
To be honest.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's Android Google. You know, it's fine.
Android by Google.
Yeah, Android by Google.
By Alphabet.
Yeah.
Right.
And they made the Pixel.
Did you ever have the cereal Alphabets? Have you ever tried that? It recently
yeah.
came back to store shelves.
Oh, really?
Easy. Kirk just got all fired up. Yeah, I used to love that as a kid. Give people a quick glimpse. This cereal was actually the inspiration for the new name of Google's parent company, Alphabet. So that's where they got the idea from, as you can tell. I don't know. It's a new recipe, I should say. It's back on store shelves with a new recipe. New and improved taste is what they say, Kirk. Might have been a wizard. A wizard would be a good idea to put on a kid's cereal, probably.
Yeah.
But also you learn your alphabet. So that's a pretty dynamic experience. You're chomping, you're learning. That's a young Willie Do right there, chomping and learning.